Last time we learned the days. We learned the numbers, the both the ordinal numbers and the cardinal numbers. Today we are going to learn days of the week. They are just like the English ones. So just listen to me and as I explain as we go on. So Monday is Montag, Tuesday is Dienstag, Wednesday is Mittwoch, Thursday is Donnerstag, Friday is Freitag, Saturday is Samstag, and Sunday is Sonntag. So again, as you have known by now, I like using dialogues to learn what we are learning. So here we have two people, Adel and Swabaha. Sorry for that. We have Adel here and Swabaha. They are conversing and talking about the day. So Adel greets Swabaha, Guten Morgen, wie geht es Ihnen? Guten Morgen, wie geht es Ihnen? That is good morning, how are you? Swabaha responds by saying, Guten Morgen, es geht mir gut. Guten Morgen, es geht mir gut. That is good morning, I am fine. And then Adel asks Swabaha a question. Sag mal, welcher Tag ist heute? Sag mal, welcher Tag ist heute? Tell me, which day is today, or what day is today? Swabaha says, heute ist Mittwoch. Heute ist, it's supposed to be ist. Heute ist Mittwoch. Today is Wednesday. And then Adel asks another question. Wann ist das Treffen? Wann ist das Treffen? When is the meeting? And then Swabaha says, das Treffen ist am Freitag. Das Treffen ist am Freitag. The meeting is on Friday. Then Adel says, Danke, thank you. And Swabaha says, Bitte sehr, very much welcome. So, those are the days of the week. Again, don't hesitate to stop the video and repeat it as many times as you can so that you can get it right.